Joran. I am an application engineer with Trimex Solutions out of the Knoxville, Tennessee office, and today I'm going to be discussing 5 of my personal favorite keyboard shortcuts. So the first is one we're probably all familiar with. It is the F key. So whether you want to call it fit to screen, as SOLIDWORKS calls it, zoom to fit, or fit extents, as you may have seen in some other software, this really allows you in a part assembly, sketch, or drawing to fit everything that's currently open into your graphics window. So this can help troubleshoot some issues if you had, say, one of these pins shot off into space. It would zoom out and allow you to see the entire model. Or if you're really zoomed in on, say, a drawing view or somewhere in an assembly to try and check interference, just hitting F will zoom you back out and fit to screen. The next thing we're going to look at is kind of a 3-in-1 here. So Tab, while hovering over a part, will hide components. Shift Tab, as long as I am in the right area, will unhide those components. But if I go a little crazy, and I've hidden things and I don't know where they are, or occasionally, I'll open up my assembly, and it looks like some parts aren't there, maybe they're missing. Typically they're hidden. This can happen due to graphics card drivers issues. So if I hold Control, Shift, and Tab at the same time, it makes everything that's hidden a translucent blue, and I can simply click on these parts while holding these 3 keys to make them visible again. So the next, and one that I find very useful, is if I have my feature manager design tree very expanded out, I'm looking at reference geometry or editing parts and features, a simple Shift-C will collapse all of that into the lowest possible level it can be. One we're all familiar with is probably spacebar, which is our view orientation. And here I can get a small preview and choose certain preset views. But if I don't know exactly the view I want, or I want an unconventional view, something from a different angle, Control Spacebar will pull up my view selector cube. This will allow me to get a larger preview in the top right, and also allow me to grab some kind of strange views, like a reverse isometric. Finally, much like Alt-Tab works for Windows to switch between open windows, we can use Control-Tab in SOLIDWORKS to switch between open documents. So by holding Control and then tapping Tab, I can go back and forth and scroll between whatever's open, or I can simply click. If I had 15 things open, I don't want to hit Tab 14 times, I can just click on the one I want. So let me know in the comments what your favorite keyboard shortcut is. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them there as well.